Welcome to the Jensen Product Focus Series. In this video, we'll review the Jensen CMM10 10.1-inch touchscreen multimedia receiver. Searching for a powerful extra-large touchscreen receiver, but only a small dash opening? The CMM10 is designed to fit most 1-DIN openings while still boasting a 10.1-inch extra-large LCD touchscreen. The easily navigable display makes managing your music and apps effortless and convenient. Connect any Apple or Android smartphone via USB to mirror the phone display on the receiver's screen. Clearly see your favorite smartphone navigation apps right in your dash. Use the free downloadable Jensen J-Link Smart Remote app on your smartphone to control the receiver via Bluetooth. Effortlessly change the mode, station, song, and volume directly from your smartphone without being in the receiver's line of sight. Plus, the dedicated push-to-talk button feature enables you to trigger a connected phone's voice assistant with only a push of a button. The CMM10 also features front USB, aux, and micro SD card inputs, a rear RCA audio-video input, front and backup camera inputs, a steering wheel control input, 3 pairs of 4-volt preamp outputs, and 200 watts of total power. USB and micro SD card media playback supports a variety of file formats. The CMM10 can be customized with a choice of 3 selectable wallpapers and is easy to install. When you're ready to upgrade, the Jensen CMM10 brings a feature-rich large screen experience directly to your dash.